especially to Altus, for giving me the opportunity of sharing the information of our company named Lazpiur, I will try to do it, a short presentation of the company. I think that I will be able to do it, in 20 minutes that I think that I already have it, And following, Richard Wood's suggestion, I have included some images and also, a couple of videos, because I think that in some cases it's much better just to have some images instead of, let's say, thousands of words, So, hope the presentation will be success your expectation, And say that I will start with, let's say, the company presentation, So, as Richard told me, Richard explained to you, my name is Jon Ugarte. I'm sales director of machinery division of Lazpiur, not CEO, as the presentation was telling you. I'm sales director, In the following slide, I will try to introduce, let's say, globally presentation, global idea, or main figure of the company, So, no, going to the following slide. Sorry. Sorry. Now, you see?
Yeah.
Okay?
All good?
So Lazpiur operates internationally in two business divisions, We have two main activities. One is the construction of special machinery, machine engineering, And the other one is high precision machining. Most of them, let's say, of the activity of Lazpiur is 95% related to automotive industry, And we are delivering a solution from some of the relevant companies all around the world, So we are 170 employees, And the turnover that we get, last year was 22 million euros, So as I say, as we have two activities, the 50% of the turnover is coming with activity of mechanics or machining, And the 70% is coming construction of machinery, We think that it's very important to keep, two main activities in our industrial division, because we think that the activity of mechanics is giving us, let's say, the flow chart, or the flow chart of the money chart, in order to buy, the investment and elements that need machines, okay? So, of course, right now I think that we are, let's say, operation in worldwide, We have all around the world, and let's say we have sales agents in US, Mexico, Italy, France, Brazil, India, and UK, We have two production plants. The first production plant is located in Vergara, in Spain, very close to France, It's the international airport is very close from here, 40 kilometers away, And we have another production plant facility in China, in Tianjin, very close to Beijing. You see some pictures of our facility, Is the headquarters that is located in Vergara, Basque Country. We have a technical office, that is composed by 12 mechanical engineers, and 15 electronical engineers, And also we have an assembly area, of 2,500 square meters that is giving us, let's say, the possibility of assembly, insertion machine, assembly lines, specialty lines, whatever the customer needs to have, So that's very important for us that before sending the machine to our customer site, we are trying to do it, the buy-off. So that means that everything is tested before sent to the customer site. Pictures of our, let's say, building that we have in China, is Tianjin facility, We have also technical office over there that is composed by 6 mechanical engineers plus 7 electronical engineers, And the assembly area that we have over there is smaller than the one that we have here, but we have a capacity of 1,500 square meters also, You will see a picture also that we are manufacturing machines that will be placed in China market, Asia market. We didn't open this facility in China to be able to produce machine for other parts that wasn't China. The goal of this industry or this facility was just to give, the service to China and Asia market. We think that support is very important, yeah. It's easy just to sell, the first machine without any support, but it's very difficult to sell the second machine if you are not giving support, yeah. So for give, big support worldwide, yeah, we are having different distributor or different, let's say, sales agent or service agent, yeah. And we are covering, let's say, North America and Mexico with SMT America. We are covering Brazil with Altrade, yeah. We are covering France with Axon, and we are covering UK and East Europe with Altus together with SMT Europe, yeah. India, we have Mentronics, yeah. And in China, of course, we are doing, directly from our Tianjin facility. Okay, so I will focus, let's say, in machinery business unit, yeah. So at the beginning, we were, let's say, especially machinery builders, yeah. But we think that during, the last year, we have been specializing in 5 different, let's say, machine divisions, yeah. The first one is related to electronic and e-mobility machines, yeah. We are considering that we are expert of best in class in insertion process, fuse assembly line, EQ assembly lines, VDU, OVC, or inverters, or whatever you want, yeah. We have another division that is related to the inspection machine. Let me say you that we are doing, some vision system from shorting inspection machine, mainly to screw and fastener division, yeah. We have another activity that is lighting machine, yeah. We are producing mainly coating machine from lens and reflectors. We are capability of, we have 2 kinds of machine. That one is to coating, the lens, the polycarbonate parts, and also we have, the possibility of also another machine to deburring and coating also the thermoset reflector area, yeah. In 2 years ago, as the automotive industry was suddenly stopped, yeah, we decided to have another activity, and at that time, that was 2 years ago, we manufactured up to 12 surgical manufacturing machines, yeah. And as we have, let's say, our own engineering environment, yeah, we have the possibility of doing some custom machine. But this custom machine is very focused in national market. We are not able to do it any custom machine. Of course, it will not repeat in the future from market that will be very far away from Spain. Okay, so when we focus in electronic machine, yeah, you see a picture, yeah. As I told before, yeah, we are specialized in manufacturing machines that are related to smart junction boxes, connectors, ESU, BCM, gateway, OVC, VDU, inverters. I don't know how many parts are having, let's say, electronic power management system in the car. So we are specializing, let's say, manufacturing or being part of production processes of these devices, yeah. This is the machine that we are supplying worldwide, yeah. I will go deeper on, let's say, in the presentation. But we are, let's say, delivering terminal insertion machine, yeah. Doesn't matter if we are inserting terminals into the PCB or into the connectors, yeah. We are delivering also fuse assembly lines, yeah. Connector assembly line and other specific line that we are also, during the last days, we have been specializing delivering VDU and OVC assembly station with dispensing, screwing, curing, whatever the processes need, yeah. So related to the insertion process, yeah, we have different kind of machine that are able to insert terminals, yeah. We have LZ insertion machine model, and 2 years ago we developed a new machine that is H2 or H1 insertion machine, yeah. This machine is specialized in insertion, let's say, terminals onto the PCB, yeah. Doesn't matter if the terminal is coming from Tyco, if the terminal is coming from AutoSpace, or the terminal is manufactured by our customer, yeah. And you will see here the range of terminal that the machine can be inserted, yeah. As a regular terminals of 0.64, nanopin, even L-shape, U-shape, or double-ended terminals, yeah. You see here a picture, yeah. We are considering expert in insertion process, yeah, because the first machine was developed, let's say, 50 years ago, more or less, yeah. We started manufacturing machine in the 1990, yeah, But at that time, all the, how do you say, all the movement was activated by pneumatic cylinder and so on. Yeah, we have been delivering and developed different machines as the market was requesting us. Yeah, and right now we have up to 6 model insertion machines worldwide. Yeah, so this is how the terminal insertion machine line configuration look like. Yeah, we could have it different machine just for insert the terminal that we could have it in the top side of the PCB. We could have it a flip station, yeah, and also we could have another machine just to be able to insert the bottom, the terminal that are in the bottom side, yeah, of the PCB. I think that the best way is just to show you a video of the couple machine that we have already now, yeah. And I will be in mute because I think that the video will be have a 5 second or 6 second retard, okay? So mainly, let's say that we have a PCB, the PCB will be coming, let's say, inlet conveyor. We are measuring the force. We are able to insert 1x1, 2x2 in this kind of model, yeah. And we have a vision system, and the vision system is checking, let's say the PCB if it's placed in the correct position or no, yeah. And if it's not, we are, let's say, we are doing, the auto correction of the coordinate or x, y, yeah. Slow motion, yeah, is how we are, let's say, supporting the PCB while we are doing, the insertion, yeah. And in that case, we are also to measure, the length of the component that has been passed through the PCB, yeah. The machine using a vision system, yeah, we are able to use also a reward mode, yeah. So the camera will be checked if the hole is empty, and in case the hole is empty, yeah, we'll be able to insert, another terminal on it. Yeah. You provide, let's say, the machine with emergency spare part kits. Yeah. So that means that the customer is able to repair, let's say, the machine by themselves. Yeah. And the way of changing, let's say, the reel. Yeah. It has been thinking just to be ergonomic. Yeah. And as you can see, the machine is able to run with different, let's say, terminal suppliers. Yeah. We are scanning, traceability, everything, let's say, is customized with our customer needs, okay? That is the first model, yeah, of the model that has more years regarding, prescriptive application, yeah? And 2 years ago, we developed a new machine, yeah, that is this one, that in short words, yeah, is much faster and smaller, yeah, and it has the capability of having up to 4 different insertion heads in the same machine, yeah. So in that case, we don't need to turn it, let's say, the PCB, yeah, because we are turning the insertion tip while we are doing the insertion stroke, yeah. So it's, let's say, around 40% faster than the previous one, and in that case, we are able to insert up to 3 different terminals at the same time. Okay, I have some, let's say, pictures of this machine, so later on I will go detail by detail. Okay, so main feature of each model terminal insertion machine, yeah, is fully automatic test memory interface, as usual, yeah, ESD compliance, yeah. We have also the possibility of measuring the force, and we are able to do it a force monitoring system, distance and stroke, yeah. We are able to check also insertion bit control. That means that we are checking, the distance of the terminal that has been passed through the PCB, yeah. The maximum PCB as a standard is 350 per 350, yeah. And using, the vision system, yeah, we are able to compensate operation, the insertion coordinates, yeah, and also the automatic PCB orientation check, okay. Everything as a standard, traceability on PCB and components level, yeah. We are able to also do automatic pitch control from reels during separation. That means that we are able to have cameras just to check how is coming the terminals before being cutted, yeah. And also we have a camera that can be checked if the terminal has been cutted symmetric or no, yeah. In case that the terminal has been cutted symmetric, we have the possibility of automatic pitch control of the feeding servo motor, yeah. Material verification and insertion accuracy is plus minus 0.025 millimeters with a CMK of over 2.0. Okay, contamination free of PCB insertion, yeah. We are able to also to check, the PCB thickness, so we are able to also to play with the set stroke once we know, the PCB thickness measurement, yeah. Ability to handle 4 different pins or different pins types, upgrade possibility, replay or reboot mode, and component site verification by emission, yeah. Some features, yeah. This machine could have, up to two double insertion heads, so that means that we are able to insert 4 different pins or terminals difference, yeah. Some pictures of, let's say, insertion anvil and extraction system, yeah. So that's giving the possibility of doing, let's say, reboot mode, yeah. The possibility to insert 1 by 1 double or triple insertion head, yeah, or triple insertion mode. Of course, in that case, the pitch of the terminals in the rail and also the distance between the holes need to be the same, yeah. This is some picture of the anvil, yeah. Here the anvil, we have the pulsars and also devices that is checking, let's say, the distance of the terminal that has been passed through the PCB, yeah. Automatic width adjustment, even the inlet conveyor, outlet conveyor, and also the table, yeah. Vision system, just for checking, the PCB location. This is a panel of PCB thickness measurement, yeah, and the different camera that has already commented to you that this camera will be in charge of checking, the component dimension, yeah, and the one that is in the middle, yeah, will be in charge of checking, the component one has been cutted and before inserted will be take a picture, yeah. This is resale traceability. We have the possibility of having matrix readers from the bottom side and also from top side, yeah, and also a hand scanner for material verification and chain tooling. Economic accessibility, yeah, and also, the real inspection system is also has been thinking, just having, let's say, the ergonomic, channel, yeah, and emergency spare part kits. The other product that I would like to show it to you, and I have a video, yeah, is a fuse assembly line and relays, yeah. I will show you video because you can see, the features of the line, yeah. Main characteristic, the line, we have delivered more than 20 assembly fuse assembly line all around the world. And depending the snap reaction force or the ejection box or whatever, yeah, we can configure, let's say, the different configuration of line. Some lines could have up to 4 fuse insertion machine, 5, 6, or even 8, yeah? So typical fuse are coming, let's say, are fed by ball feeder, yeah? We could have it one machine from 1 to up to 5 different ball feeder, yeah? We are measuring also the force that the fuse need to be inserted into the female cord, yeah? Some machine can hold more than one insertion head. We are checking also, the color just before getting started or place it into the junction box, yeah? And finally, this is not the case, but in that case, we have a, let's say, AOE, yeah? And in this AOE station or vision system, we are checking that all the fuses have been placed currently into the correct position, yeah? In that case, the unloading operation was done manually by the operator, yeah? And we have a returning system, yeah? That the pallet will go to the returning area or to the loading area, yeah, from the back side of the line. And the last machine or last line that I would like to show to you, yeah, as I told you before, we are expert, let's say, in insertion process, yeah. But right now, we are having, let's say, expertise in bending process also, yeah? The video that I'm going to show to you is from PL7 platform. The final customer is BMW, yeah? And it's just to insert some terminals into the plastic housing, yeah? So we will have a line, yeah? Composed by different insertion machine, yeah? And each insertion machine will be able to insert different terminals into the plastic housing, yeah? And in the final area, we will have, let's say, a testing station, yeah, plus a packaging station, yeah, when the packaging station could be done in tube, in trays, whatever the customer wants, yeah. And we define it, let's say, this line as modular, yeah, because depending the output of the product, yeah, we could add or take out machine easily because each machine has its own, let's say, conveyor, yeah. Inlet conveyor and returning conveyor. This is the PC, naked PC, without any component, yeah. Typically, we used to fit them in the connector using both feeder, yeah. And later on, we have a conveyor, yeah, when the plastic housing will be transferred in this conveyor, yeah, and will be go machine per machine, yeah. Each machine has, let's say, one vision system who is checking, the cavity and the injection molding, yeah. So depending, let's say, the injection molding and the cavity, the machine will be changed, automatically the insertion product, yeah. So you see that the terminals are coming in straight, yeah. And we have one insertion head that is able to insert 0.64 millimeters terminals. Another one, it will be able to insert 2.8 or whatever the customer needs, yeah? So when we go a little bit faster to the final area. And when we go to the control station, yeah? In this control station, yeah, we have a rotary table. When the first operation, first of all, is just to clean. Yeah, we are doing a brushing and vacuum system from the bottom side of the connectors. Yeah. So we do it electrical test station. Yeah. Some cases iPod is needed. In that case, was not. Yeah. And later on, we have a pin, height, and test station by vision. We are checking from the top side and from the bottom side. Yeah. And pins and element. You are marking. And finally, we are packaging, nothing else. Okay, automatic packaging in trays in that case. Okay, just to have a main customer or partners, yeah, you will see that most of them are, let's say, from automotive industry. Some of them are, let's say, electronic power suppliers, as Lear, let's say, Marelli, Marquardt, Yasaki, Aptiv, and so on. So, thanks for all, for the time that you have already to me. I think that I am on time because I took around 24-25 minutes just to do the presentation.
Thank you, Jon.
Yeah.